Stop scrolling. Did you know porcupines are nature's ultimate pincushions with a flair for defense? These spiky creatures have quills that aren't just ordinary hairs. They're modified, needle-sharp, detachable weapons. When feeling threatened, a porcupine doesn't actually shoot quills. But beware if you get too close, because those quills detach easily upon contact. Oh, here's a fascinating twist. Their quills have barbs designed to stick into predators and make removal nearly impossible. Talk about next-level self-defense, right? Baby porcupines, adorably called porcupets, are born with soft quills that harden within hours. Nature wastes no time. But here's a fact that'll blow your mind. Porcupines are amazing climbers and can often be found chilling in treetops. So next time you see one waddling with its iconic spiky armor, know it's a symbol of strength and survival. Isn't nature just unbelievable? Stick around for more wild facts next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more animal fun facts.